everyone, it's Shay. So I thought it'd be great to show everyone what life at Best Egg is really like. So today I'm going to take you through a day in the life of a social media manager. So the first thing I do when I walk in the morning is I get some breakfast. Today I definitely grabbed one, and then I made my way upstairs to my desk. And I usually start with going through our social media pages, seeing what's scheduled and how we're looking for the week. On this day in particular, I had a lot of content to film, so I made sure to capture a lot of photos and videos I planned to get. After getting some work done for a while, it's time for lunch, but it's Best Egg, so I didn't really need to pack my lunch. I could just make my way outside to see what options are already here, and it looks amazing because it was. After lunch, I have a few meetings. I take some at my desk, but it's always a little more fun to walk around and use some of the collaboration spaces. Then it's time for an afternoon snack because we cannot crash this early in the day. But then I later head outside to grab something a little more fun and refreshing. Towards the end of the day, it's always fun to go through our own social media profiles and see how we're performing, and also they're pretty entertaining. And before you know it, that's a wrap, and it's time to head home. And that's pretty much a day in my life here at Best Egg.